Start by clicking on the event book link to get a comprehensive look at the schedule for available spaces. You can select the specific date and building to check the availability and see if there are any scheduled events. If you find a space that is free, simply click the green plus icon to initiate a room request. Enter your event details and specify the timing for your event, then proceed by clicking Continue Request. You'll then see a list of services that are available for the space you've requested. If you don't require any services, you can simply click the red Skip button to move forward. If there are services you wish to include in your event, just click the box next to each service you'd like. Each service comes with a pricing detail that you can see right on the screen. There's a search bar you can use to quickly locate a specific resource. Just select the box next to each resource you need and specify the quantity required. Once you reach the final page, make sure to answer any questions that are displayed. These questions will vary based on the space or resources you've included in your request. When you're ready, click Submit to send off your request. It will then be reviewed by the space manager responsible for that facility. Once submitted, you can view your event under the My Events page.